this can't be normal. Smoke coming out of my fence. What the fuck? So that smoke right there is because I had a bad heater core. This radiator, these two pipes go into here. This coolant goes through the firewall and into the cabin. Luckily, this is an old Ranger, so you do not have to take off the whole dashboard. You only have to take off this cover right here. This is held on by 5 screws. You take the cover off, you undo the hoses from up front, and then from there, bingo bango, you got yourself a cover, and you got yourself access to the old busted heater core. You put a new one in, no more smoke.